Getting a UK phone number used to mean contacting a carrier, waiting days for approval, and paying a setup fee. In 2026, it takes about 2 minutes, and you don't even have to be in the UK. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on exactly how you can get UK phone numbers, from a London landline, a UK mobile, or a toll-free phone number, as your business needs. Let's do it. Here's a quick context before we start. A UK number does 2 things for you. It makes your business look local to UK customers, and local numbers get answered far more often than on international lines. Pickup rates are 3 to 4 times higher, and it lets you take UK calls from anywhere in the world, on your laptop and your phone. If you're ready, let's start. First, log into your KrispCall account. From the dashboard, go to the Numbers section and click Purchase New Number. You'll then be redirected to KrispCall's virtual number marketplace. Here, select the drop-down to choose the country. Search or scroll to the United Kingdom. The moment you click on it, KrispCall lists every type of UK number available. You've got 3 choices here. Local numbers carry a city area code, like 020 for London or 0161 for Manchester. Pick this if you want to look like a business in a specific UK city. Mobile numbers are a 07 number. In the UK, lots of customers actually prefer texting and calling mobile numbers, so this feels natural for sales and support. And the toll-free numbers, your 0800 numbers. The caller pays nothing. You pick up the cost. Great for support lines where you want to look established and accessible. Let's go with a London local number for this demo. Now, to pick a number from the list, click on Purchase, confirm it, and then check out. That's it! The number will be active immediately. No SIM card, no waiting on a carrier. But make sure to always test your purchase before you rely on it. Open the dialer, make sure the UK number is selected as the caller ID, and place a quick call. There it is! The UK number shows up on the other end. In the same way, you can now receive calls and send SMS from your web app and mobile devices. Also, don't forget these 2 quick things before you make your purchase. First, match the number type to your audience. Don't buy a mobile number if your goal is to look like a local London business. Second, if you'll be texting UK customers, double-check SMS is supported on the number you choose before you buy. It's shown right there in the number details. And that's a working UK phone number in about 2 minutes. KrispCall has numbers in over 100 countries that you can get the same way, with plans from $12 a month. Links in the description. Subscribe for more setup guides. See you in the next one!